Welcome. If you wanna use split screen on your Huawei P40 Pro, for the first you have to drag from the edge of the screen. And right now choose your application. For example, I will go for the calculator. So click, hold, drag here and do the same. So open this floating bar and we can go right now for the notepad. So right now click, hold and drag it right here. And that's it. Easy way to open the split screen in your Huawei P40 Pro. With this switcher you can also adjust the size of your applications. So thank you for the watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.